Hello, welcome to another video with the fillet and chamfer command. You have two commands here in the modify tab with the name fillet and chamfer, or you can simply have input the F for the fillet, and then you just select the first line and the second line and it will be fillet. And also you need to do the radius 0. You need to do the radius 0, so next time when you fillet any object, it will just close the polygon or close the lines smoothly. You just simply put the F, space, enter and F, and it makes the fillet more easier. To make the corner a circle or an arc, you need to give the radius. You just put the F, the fillet, then you enter the R, the radius, then you enter the radius you want, and then select first line and the second line, and it will be around the corner. Okay, you can also make the chamfer. You just need to click CHA for the chamfer, and then you need to give the distance for the chamfer. You just simply select D for the distance, and then you need to give the distance, like if 1 meter, like 1 meter, 2 meter, we will do it like 0.1 and then the 0.1. Then we'll see how the chamfer will work. Okay, you can also increase the chamfer. Even you don't want the chamfer, you need fillet and it's still making the radius. You need to make the radius 0.